Now we're going to work on our calls to action here. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and add this to a playlist. So all of our videos are uploaded in unlisted status. As soon as we are ready for them to be published, we can change this little arrow here and make it public. Public means everybody can see it. Unlisted means only those with a unlisted actually means you can embed it on a website and anybody with a link can view it, and private means only me, whoever has access to this channel by login and password. Okay, so public, everybody. Unlisted is anybody with a link or it can be embedded on a website, and private means just me, whoever can log in to the back end of my YouTube channel. Okay, now generally we're going to add this to a playlist if we have a playlist that makes sense. Now, in this case, I haven't created the playlist yet, so all I have to do is go to Add Playlist. I'm going to create a playlist, and I'm going to call this YouTube Optimization with Lori Ballen. Okay, so we're going to save that, and we're going to go ahead and leave that public, and I'm going to click Create. Now, on another video, I show you how to go into your playlist, set a playlist up as a series, how to edit it to add a description, and some other settings, but we're not going to do that in this video. So this is all we need here for optimizing a single video. Okay, now, I love this TubeBuddy checklist. If you don't have TubeBuddy, come up here instead and you're going to go this direction. So you're going to do end screens here, you're going to do cards here, and you're going to do subtitles and captions. Now I'm going to go ahead and follow my list down here. I like to follow my TubeBuddy list because it's actually a shortcut because I don't have to open every window. I like it better. So I've already built templates which make all of this very fast. So add info cards. Info cards are little pop-up suggestions while somebody's watching the video that offer something else, like somewhere for them to click a suggested video. There's a poll in one of these, okay? So I'm going to go to Apply Template, and I've got a whole bunch of selections here. Now, this one is about YouTube, so I'm going to look and see, do I have a card about YouTube yet? No, so I might go ahead and build one, which we'll talk about in another lesson. Or I can say, what's related? Well, we're doing SEO. You know, this is people want to optimize their YouTube, so we might just go ahead and choose SEO. Okay, and then it'll show you what cards, what videos, what cards are here. Learn how to get more leads with Lori Ballen. Okay, and so you can optimize your cards, but I just want to show you how to add one, and we'll click Apply. Whoops, let it load. If my video is too short, that won't work. So I've got a short video playlist. Let me try that one. Short video playlist. That one's set to be like under 2 minutes. And let me click Apply. There you go. So if you get an error message, you're probably trying to add cards that were created for a much longer video. So you might have to pull a shorter video or create a new card, a new set of cards, which we'll do that in another video. All right. I actually already have a video made on cards. So here next we have add captions. Okay. Now I'm going to come back to that. Add an end screen. I'm sorry. Add an end screen. Apply template. Okay. I already have an end screen template. That's all I have to do. Click Apply. Whoops. Try this again. Oh, subscribe and video template. I'll make a note of, you know what I need to do is go in there and get rid of a couple of those that aren't working correctly. And then click Apply. So I'm going to use the subscribe and video template. Okay. And I've already, okay, so now I'm going to go to Add Captions. And so let me click this Go to Subtitles. It'll open in a new tab. Okay. Now, there's several ways to do this. If you wait until after your video is published and come back in whatever time frame, 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever, there will be subtitles already added by YouTube. But they're a mess, and you have to go in there and edit them. In my experience, since I'm going to order a transcript for this video anyway, I would prefer to upload my transcript afterwards and auto sync. Okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. If we go to add new subtitles or closed captioning, and I click on English, and there's lots of languages you can choose from depending on how you're marketing, I can upload a file. And now I upload a file, and wherever my document is, I browse for it. I say it's a transcript. So if it's a transcript, it's just a regular text or Word document, that's fine. If it's a subtitles file, it'll probably end in the extension SRT, but we're going to upload a transcript. So ours will always be transcript. You're going to choose for the file, and you're going to browse and choose your transcript. Now, once it loads up here, then you can click to let it auto sync. Okay, and then you don't have to worry about that. So make sure that you first get the transcript. If it's a simple video and you're not doing a transcript, just go in and change your go in and change it, because it'll spell your name wrong. It's funny, some of the stuff that it gets wrong, because it's recording. It's just a machine recording it. Okay, and so we want to make sure that we do that, and then we just click our. Let me just. Yeah, no, I don't want to go all the way through, because then it won't work correctly. So you're welcome to post. Let me know if you have questions. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can post it on the comments. If you're training with me directly, you can message me directly. Okay, but that is how you do that. So we've now done. Let's go back here. So let's just say we've done our captions. So that would go away. We need to upload our high resolution thumbnail. I showed you how to make a thumbnail in another video. So you'll go to here to custom thumbnail, and you'll pick one and you'll upload it. I'm not really going to leave that keto foods one on there, but that's the example. Okay. And then if there's anything else appropriate here, you would do that. And at this point, you've done everything you need to optimize your YouTube video. And next is where you'll go on to having your transcript completed. All right, that's all there is for this video.